and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill here today with the March Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month includes 4 brand new collections with cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. It comes out every month. We also have 3 add-ons that coordinate with it, so you can add more cardstock, pattern paper, or embellishments. And we also have the Shots of Life, which is our pocket page scrapbooking, but it coordinates and can add more pattern paper and embellishments. So be sure to check out all those little add-ons if you want an even bigger kit. We also have lots of other things available in the store and other kits, so be sure to check out the video links at the end. Along with your kit each month, you'll get a sample of gourmet coffee, so you can brew that up when you unbox it or when you start playing with it. You'll also have access to 4 recipe cards. These are double page layouts that our design team creates for you, and then they show you their cutting and assembly and a full color photograph of the finished layout, so you can create right along with them. Also, as a subscriber, you have access to a free exclusive cut file. These are designed by Cut to You just for the Scrap Room subscribers. And this month is this awesome flower bee cut file, and it has this little cluster of florals and the bee up on the top. Perfect for pretty much every one of these collections. You could put it all together or take the bee apart and just use them separately, whatever you want. So this month our 4 collections are 49th and Market, Toddler Time, Echo Park, Lucky Charm, Blossoms and Bees from Echo Park, and Photoplay Paper, Sweet as Honey 2. So all of these are getting you ready for spring, and it's just so gorgeous, and I am so ready. So let's dig in, take a closer look at each one of these collections. Our first collection we're going to look at is 49th and Market, Toddler Time. I am so in love with this collection, and if you're worried about the toddler theme, you don't have to be. It's very minimal. You can tie it in with lots of different things. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one, the Beanstalk, which you can tell is just a beautiful floral arch with butterflies and berries. The back is this gorgeous green floral print, full branding strip. This paper is called Storybook, so this one is toddler kind of themed, but you can definitely tie in other stuff. So it has little storybook icons and pages. The back is this gorgeous plaid if you don't want anything with the toddler. Full branding strip of hearts here. Then we have this one called Airplanes. I think this is adorable. It has all the children down here with the airplanes up here. There's text and paint. The back is this starburst print with the star in the middle. Another full branding strip. Show kindness, you are loved, giggles and grins. So don't forget to tie those into your projects. So you can see a really fun color scheme and just so pretty. So for the embellishments, you're going to get a mixture of the ephemera pieces. Some are cardstock and some are chipboard. So these up here I separated as chipboard. Of course, all of these will vary among the kits, but this is a good sample of what you'll get. So that's Toddler Time from 49th and Market. Our next collection is a fun St. Patty's Day collection. This is Lucky Charm by Echo Park, and you're going to start with 2 sheets of avocado. This paper here is the 6x4 journaling cards. We have the rainbow with all of the shamrocks and the 6x4 cards on the back. This paper called Shamrocks, which is a blue grid design, and then shamrocks on the back. This one's called Irish Plaid, and it has shamrocks on the blues on this side and then the plaid on this side. I just love the prints. It's really pretty, and that's a fun take on the rainbow. For your embellishments, you'll get the full 12x12 sticker sheet. We have a scalloped plaid border and a shamrock border here. Lots of words and things to use for titles. Warning, may be prone to shenanigans, hooliganism, and malarkey. Butchered that. Catch the luck of the Irish, too cute to pinch. I love all of the fun sayings. I mean, gorgeous little banner up here. So that is Lucky Charm from Echo Park. Our next collection is Blossoms and Bees from Echo Park. So a fun spring collection. You're going to start with 2 sheets of Admiral cardstock. Your pattern paper is this fun mushroom with a little floral on the dark navy. We have a green plaid on the back with some orange. A beautiful spring floral in all of the different colors from this collection with a blue checked on the back. This paper is called Growing Stems. That paper is Lovely Mushrooms. I think I missed saying that. Then we have this fun hexagon print, all the different colors, and then it's got the little hearts thrown in. The back is a floral two-toned pink, and this one is called Bright Hexagons. So one more look at your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get about 1/3 of a pack of the ephemera pieces. So these will all vary, but this is what I got. And then you're also going to get some enamel dots. Again, those will vary. It looks like I got the dark navy blue, so you'll get one of the colors that coordinate. So that is Blossoms and Bees from Echo Park. Our final collection is Sweet as Honey 2 from Photo Play Paper. So I love the first round of this, and this is just as cute. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock, your patterned paper, Fields of Flowers. So this has the honeycomb with little florals. It has a wood grain in the back, so it has it all going on. The back is a beautiful yellow to orange floral on the dark. Can't really tell if it's like a dark brown or a black. It has a little bit of a brown cast to it. This is called the Bee's Knees. It has this cute little bumblebee with his little honey pot and the honeycombs and florals. The back is a gorgeous wood grain. Then we have honeycomb bees. This is adorable. So we have pieces of honeycomb and the bees with their little bee flight pattern. This would be fun to fussy cut some of these to decorate out on the page. The back is a black gingham. So you can see really pretty colors, really vibrant. They just really pop off that black. For your embellishments, you're going to get about 1/3 a pack of the ephemera pieces. So that's a lot of fun. And then something new, at least I haven't seen it, these are epoxy shapes and the dies paper. So we have circles here that you can punch out, or they sell a die that you can use. And then these are little epoxy shapes. So they're clear, raised up, where you can make your own epoxy buttons. So all of this is going to vary, and I'm not sure if there's other shapes other than the circle and the button. I don't know, but I have a medium-sized button and a large circle. So you would just put that over the top of it after you die cut it out, and you'd have that little epoxy shape. So that is a lot of fun. You could also, if you didn't want to do these, you could also just take out a piece of the paper, you know, isolate something that you want to do from the paper and do that as well. So I thought that was really cool. So that is Sweet as Honey 2 from Photo Play Paper. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Don't forget to check out these video reveals here at the end. I have the Shots of Life and the add-ons linked here, so you can go to see all of the other coordinating products. Be sure to come over to the Facebook group, join us in the challenges, share your projects, see what the design team and your fellow subscribers are creating. There's just tons of inspiration over there and lots of different challenges to get you scrapbooking. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.